Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to another video where I will talk about, in this video I will talk about keep building this multiple choice option. So you can see we got this multiple choice here, and then see if we can manipulate stuff with it. Basically what we need to handle is some backend, so we need to design some model, and we need to also figure out how should the data be look like when we submit this, okay? Just take a look, you can see I can now, you have option to create a multiple choice, create short input, also create multiple choice. In here you can add an option, which is gonna add option for you. So what we'll do is we'll just figure out how to go ahead and do the change the option value or stuff like that. So let's go and take a look. How can we do that? So basically, they should be able to change the default radio to something else. So let me go find this default radio. Alright, so in here there should be another input. Placeholder equals to value. And in here, just give an ID. ID is gonna be -0 val. And then val. Okay, let's go take a look. So if I go ahead and say create multiple choice, now I can type. I can add another option where I can keep typing. So that's basically it. That's basically is about it. So what we need to do, maybe we need to fix remove choice, since remove choice really not sure, just remove the radio button. But let's go take a look. How can we do the multiple choice? So in here, so when we submit, here's what we need to submit. So when we submit a form, and then okay. Alright, so I need to kind of know what's a multiple choice question count. You know, what's a multiple choice question count? And in here, don't I have like an option called option dictionary, right? So in here, I can just say option 1, option 2, option 3. I'm going to create another multiple choice. Choice A, choice B. And now let's go ahead and get this option count. Okay. Alright, so you can see it's 2, 1, which we're supposed to do is just add 1 to the end of each of them. 0, 1 is like the question ID or stuff like that. So in here, I also need to have our let's see, we also need to have our we need also need to have this multiple choice. Multiple choice question count. You kind of need to know whatever is multiple choice, right? So which question ID is multiple choice, essentially. Actually, let me try something. Interesting. So short input, multiple choice, short input. Hi. Option A, Yeah. Okay, so I know which question it is. Okay, 1 second. Okay. So here's what's happening. So I know which option it is, right? So means question ID 1, question ID 3. These are like these are basically the multiple choice data, essentially. So now what I need to do is somehow submit these information. So I need to organize them. So how do I organize them? Well, I mean, you still need a question prompt. You still need a question prompt. So 1 second, actually let me do the question prompt first. So we need a question prompt. Question. Let me go ahead and scroll down to multiple choice. Add the choice. I don't need to do it for add the choice. Let's go create multiple choice button. Let me go try this out. Multiple choice. Yeah, you can enter a prompt here. Oop. Okay. Multiple choice. Let's take a look. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, so then gonna be MUL for multiple. So here's how we need to do. We need to basically send out JSON data, so you know how many options there are and how many what question ID are like is multiple choice. You need send that JSON data, and then we also need to somehow parse this as well. So here, let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead in here. So when we submit the form, we need to also do something else. In here, we need to say for I equals 0, I less than. Let's see how to get length of a object in JavaScript. Because I just want to get how many keys there are. I less than, okay. Option count. So let me scroll down. Option count that keys. Wait. Oh, it's okay. It's object keys. I can put option count dot length. So that's array. Here, I can do that plus plus. So in here, then what I can do is I can go create an input. So let's see. Create element. And let's see, input the set attribute, obviously is hidden. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's see. Excuse me. So type is hidden. And then the name gonna be set attribute. So the name is gonna be this. It's actually gonna have like quite a few names. So the first name associated this need to be the prompt, right? So the prompt is mul hyphen question ID. So let me go ahead and change it to display solver. Okay, so I need to kind of like get the object key for it. 1 second. Loops through an object. JavaScript. Kind of forgot these basic stuff now. Okay, alright. Alright, well, I just in here want to get object.keys option count bracket I. Right, that's the value. So yeah. And then this should be the multiple part. So let's just take a look. This question prompt. Yeah, mo0. And then in here I need to say input the such attribute value equals to something else. So one second, let me take a look how this question prompt works. Enter just say ID. So we'll make it work. Make it ID document element by ID. And here it's basically gonna be this. Yeah. Alright, so this basically is the value. And then in here then I'm gonna proceed with another loop. Object of values. So still I can just say so I need to know. So now what I need to do is I need to know how many options there are. Right, how many options there are. Let's see. Equals 0. I less than or equals to. Okay, because the number begins, so I was thinking if okay. So if it's 2, so for example the length is like 1 and 3, and it's just gonna loop through 2 times. Yeah, it's okay. Alright. So here I say less than object dot keys option count. Oh, plus. And then I'm going to get the option. Okay, so let's see. I need to object dot values. And then let me go put this option count here, which this should give us the value of it. We know the current thing we're dealing with is this. So this should give us the correspond their option, right? So like their choice. And then in here, then I could say this is how many choices there are. Okay, so this actually get the value. Okay, I need to. I'm so believe there are gonna be a lot of issues when I'm running this code, but it's okay. We'll figure them out. All right, so in here, then we'll say input. That's the attribute type is so. Let me just say input dot. All right, let's see. So attribute name. And then in here we'll say mul. Actually in here then we need to say j. So you don't have like these variable confusions. And then here we'll just say mul. And here say option j. Okay. This is what option does. Okay, and then here we'll also say input.set attributes. Want to get the value. So what's the value? So what's a prompt? So what's this basically? And that's the most important part. So the format of this is 0, -0, -val. Okay. So the first 0 is obviously being the question ID. Second 0 obviously is the option. And the third is val. And that's gonna be wrapped in here. So doc.get elements by ID. Okay, should work. And then input what? Okay, 1 second. Let me figure out how to wrap this string. Oh my god, okay. Sorry for not explaining really well because to be honest, I don't exactly know what I'm doing either. Oh, okay, I forgot. Curly braces. Then I can do this. Okay, there we go. Alright, obviously gonna be mistake. So we'll just take these mistakes. Why would you color red for some reason? I don't know. Okay. I think now everything should work. So let's get the option. Let's get the question. Now, before everything, what we'll do is we'll go to views.py. And when we create the form, and here we'll just say print request. Oh god. Okay, print request.post. And just return HTTP response none. So just return nothing. Practically just return nothing, no HTTP response. Yeah, no, the code below not gonna work, but don't worry about that for now. Form name, first of all, is hello. Go create short input, for example, hi. Create multiple choice, hello. 1. Option 1, option 2. And then let me go out create another multiple choice. Yo. Option A. Option B. And option C. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's go and click on create this form. All right, let's see. What do we got here? All right, first of all, got this input. All right, 1 second. Okay, first of all, oh, okay, all right. Here we'll say get dot value. Okay, and then here we'll also say dot value. And here I say dot value as well. Let's go try that again. Alright, so hi, create multiple choice. Hi, so 1, 2, 3, low, multiple choice, 2, A, B. Create this form. We didn't pass here. Can I get the value of no? Okay. This is on line 76, which is this line right here. Alright, so it's not really a input error, so that's good. So I would like to go ahead and proceed and console.log whatever is inside of here. Alright, so I just want to see this ID. What does this looks like? Let me just double check what I have this here. 2-0, 2-1, 0-2. I think everybody works good. So let's go create a new question, multiple choice. Hi. Option A, B, C. Create another short inputs. Low. Create a multiple choice. Yo. I just made these up. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and create this form. And we got some, oops, and then we got a internet server, not internet server error. Something caused this program to not work. Okay, let's just try to submit one. A, B, and C. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. 0-0 wow. Why does it have an extra curly braces? Okay. This curly braces messed everything up. Maybe that's why. Let's go and create the question multiple choice. Hi. A, B, C. Let's add a short input. Hello. And multiple choice. Yo. 1, 2. Create this form. Didn't see any error. And let's see. So we got Mo 0, option 0. Okay. So indeed, we got question count. There's 3 questions. That's indeed is correct. Multiple choice 0 is high. Multiple 0 is options. Multiple choice 0 hyphen option 0 is A. Multiple 0 hyphen option 1 is B. 0 hyphen option 2 is C. Alright. Good. Everything looks so good so far. Okay, multiple number 2 is yo. No, it didn't work. The reason it didn't work is because it's first of all, it doesn't have short input anymore. I have nothing about short inputs. It's all multiple choice. I have one short input. I have that anymore. Second, I don't see any option for multiple choice question 2. So that's the issue we need to fix. Let's take a refresh. Let's create multiple. Alright, let me think why this would happen. Okay, I think it would be worse if you just create another form from scratch, right? So to not use this form at all anymore. Okay. Let's try less than equals to. I'm not sure how would this happen, to be honest. Oh, okay. I think one said undefined for some reason. I think that's might be a reason because there's a blink of undefined there. Okay, so what we try to do. So I think this is gonna be a pretty long video again. First of all, thank you for watching. There's a lot of error along the way. So what we attempted to do is, oh god, why I'm trying to get it using the values? Wait, what am I doing here? What the heck am I doing here? This is what. function count. And keep in mind that we know this from it already. So let's take a look and try again. Okay, comment C. Okay, so this should give us which key it is. And this should give us the value. One, two, three. 4 inputs. Value of no. I think I can get this work quickly. Okay, so now this doesn't work anymore. Okay. Alright, well, there's a lot of bugs. And then I will attempt it to see if I can fix it on my own. And it's already a huge long video, 30 minutes or so. But still, we cannot figure out how to submit it. So the ideal way is to submit a JSON data, first of all, is with what question ID are the multiple choices, what are the options for multiple choices. And the second, to submit each individual data, right? So this is confusing part. I know, so how can I figure it out? But well, until then, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please smash the like button and subscribe button as well if you haven't already. And stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. So, hope you have a rest of your great day. See you next video. Bye-bye.